Hey, how are you? My name is Robin Camero, and I am a coach, a trainer, and a meeting facilitator. So what we are going to talk about today is how you can shut down the quiet quit by upping employee engagement. And change management professionals have a huge role here, and there's an opportunity to really be a part of the future of your organization. And here's how. The concept we're going to talk about and do a little workshopping on is called lateral leadership. Now, typically we think of leadership as kind of up and down the chain. You manage up, and of course you lead your people, manage your people, the staff on your team. But what about side to side, peers across the organization? Here is a real opportunity to build consensus and build coalitions for the initiatives that matter most. And people initiatives are perfect for this because everybody has a shared role. So what we're going to look at is how you make the case for really making employee engagement a priority, how you can encourage all of the executives and leaders on your team to really be a part of mentoring and coaching your staff, and how you can put programs in place to really invite your staff in and make them feel like they're a part of the future of your organization. So that's all about shutting down the quiet quit with employee engagement and how change management professionals can really have a key role here. So thanks.